So here's the loot. Got a little hush puppy action, and got a little. I'm gonna break this motherfucker up. Man, hands are gonna smell like onions now. Unfortunately, nasty. All right, this fish is looking gross. All right, here we go. Oh shit, where did they go? Oh shit, they just pulled up in a bus. Oh shit, Meredith, this fish is hot too. It's like hot as in it's gonna burn their fucking mouths. Oh shit. Oh, they're fighting, man. They're fighting over this shit. They're fighting over the smell of that fish. Have a bite of this shit. As you can see, I blew away the competition. All I know is this is fucking hot. I can barely hold it in my hand. This fucking seagull's gonna be dropping. Okay, here comes a hole. Oh, jeez, he just swooped up on that shit. All right, now I'm gonna have to empty this box out here. Hold on a second. I'm probably gonna have to close the window and drive the fuck off real fast here. Because these guys are gonna try to get in the damn car. Ready? Go. Oh shit. Oh, they're not getting near the car. They're gonna wait for me to drive off. Oh yeah, they're pulling. Oh shit. See, as you can see, I decimated the competition.